It's good to have you here, creatives. Welcome back to my channel. Right, so today we are going to look at how to save your design as PDF. In your preparation to print your design, it will be best for you to save your designs as PDF so that you get a high quality that you want after printing your design. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And the app we are going to use is Canva. Canva is the best app for saving your designs in PDF format, right? So let's open our Canva. When you open our Canva, there's two things. Maybe you designed with Canva. If you design with Canva, it's very simple. But when you didn't design with Canva and you want to upload your design in Canva and then save it as PDF, this is how to go with it. First of all, let me show you how to go with it if you design with Canva. Let's say this is the design that you did in Canva, right? So you are going to design, or you are going to save this design as PDF. You just come here and tap here, right? But this is not a problem, or this is not challenging if you design with Canva. The challenging part is if you didn't design with Canva and you want to import it in Canva and save it as PDF. So let me go back and let me show you guys. If you design with maybe Lab or any other app and you want to come to Canva and upload, just tap on the plus sign here, this plus sign here in the middle here. When you tap here, it will send you here. Here you choose the size of the design that you want to save in PDF format, right? So you choose the size, know the size of your design. So maybe in the size of my design will be 1080. That's the square size, the profile, the square size, the billboard size. So let me tap on it, and when you come to the working space, it will send you right here. Here you are going to bring your design here on this working space. So you start with the process. So this pop-up will show, just bring it down, right? When the pop-up shows, bring it down, tap on the working space like this and tap on replace. You can tap on replace. It's very simple. Tap on replace, and when you tap on replace, it will it will send you to your gallery. So you come to your images, and then now you come to upload the design, right? The design that you want to upload. So you come to your gallery, scroll through. Let me come to recent. My design will be somewhere here. All right. So the design will automatically fit the working space. Once you tap on replace, it will fit on the working space. So you have your design here, very beautiful. So this is the first step. This is where you all should start from. Even when you design with Canva, this is where your design will be, and when you upload your design, this is where your design will be. So let's start from here. Now the process begins on how to save your design in PDF format. Just tap on this arrow here, right? Tap on this arrow here. When you tap on this arrow, it will send you here. When it send you here, just tap on download. You see download option here, just tap on download. So when you tap on download, Canva has suggested PNG format for you. So the file type is PNG, so you don't need PNG. PNG means your design is not going to have a background and it's not good. They have suggested though, but it's not good for you if you are going to print it. So tap on this arrow here. You see this arrow, right? This arrow here, the drop down arrow. Tap on it. When you tap on here, you are going to see many design formats, many file type. So you have JPG, that's best for sharing, and we have PNG, best for complex images and illustrations. We have PDF standards for documents and emailing, and we have best for printing, that's the PDF print. That's the one we are going to use here. So we tap on PDF print. Let's tap on it. When you tap on it, you see these settings here. So the first one is crop marks and bleed. When you tap on crop marks and bleed, you are going to have a bleed when you print your design. A bleed is a line or the thin line around your design when you print your design. These are the lines that you see around designs, like this one when you print your design. So if you want that bleed on your design when you print it, just tap on crop marks and bleed. Don't tap on anywhere again. Just come to the color profile. You see color profile, just tap on the drop down arrow like this, and you will see this pop up here. This RGB, this is the color distance, color profile. So this is the RGB, best for digital use. We are not going to use it as digital use. That's not the use of it. We are going to print our design. So we choose the CMYK. That's best for professional printing. Have you seen it here? Best for professional printing. So we tap on it, but you see this crown here, it means that it's a premium feature, and it's for those who are using the premium Canva or the Canva Pro. So if you're not using it, you can go with this one, but this is the best one. So let's use it. Best for printing, professional printing. Let's tap on the CMYK. So we tap on it, then straight away we just download. This process is very simple. You download your design, so your design will be preparing, so it will download into your files. So we download into your files. So when you go to your files, you see your PDF format there. Whenever you are ready to print, you can connect it with your printer and then you print, or you can go to any printing press and then print it out. It will come out nicely, other than choosing any other format or any other file type for it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for following. Please, if you are new here, just subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you.